So what's the solution? You, my friend, you,
You talking to me? Well, then who the hell else are you talking? Talking to me?
the investor, needs to take the time to educate the agent first. All right. You, as the investor, need to take the time to speak to the agent when you get that call that there's a listing coming up, or, that not a listing, but a showing coming up and all this. You need to take that time to call the agent, reach out to them, and let them know, hey, this is the house. This is the work that has been done or the work that hasn't been done. Here's the warranties. Here's everything. Here's what we're looking at. You have to educate them. You got to tell them. You got to let them know. Now, the reason you want to do all this is because you want them to relay that message and you want to set expectations for the buyer. You want to do it for them. So here's an actual real life example on how we did it on another one of our flips and how it worked out so well for us. So very recently, we've been transitioning more into wholesaling houses, and because of the low inventory that we're seeing in San Antonio. Now, if you're not sure what wholesaling houses is or any of that, make sure you check out the related episodes below in the description, or you can click up here if you're watching on YouTube, and you're going to see the wholesaling houses video, and you're also going to see the video on the walkthrough on this project that I'm talking about right now. So you can actually get a full walkthrough of this whole process. In doing this strategy, we went ahead and closed on a house that we bought a house that all we really did was clean up, did some minor things here and there, and nothing crazy. And then we put it right back on the market. So we got offers right away. It was, again, low inventory, very hot market, got offers right away. But what we did different this time was we set expectations. So my business partner, John Barr, you guys know he's a real estate agent. So he's the one that deals with all the agents. He went ahead, spoke to the agent. He told them exactly the situation. He told them, hey, we didn't renovate this house. This house is move-in ready, but we didn't renovate it. All right. You need to understand there's still work to be done and everything, which is why we priced it at the price that we did. So if you're wondering, why the hell are you doing this? Keep in mind that it does not help you if the buyers are going, they're getting excited, and they do what they did to us, right? Where they go, they look at the house, and then it happens, they get the inspection report, and they flip the hell out. Because now they flip out, they get scared, all that, they back away, and you lost your deal. You understand? You lost that, and now your house is back on the market. So why take the time? Because we rather them know exactly what they're getting into and just tell us right now no, so then that way we're not wasting time and we can get some other buyer that is willing to take that on. So that's why this is very crucial. So the agent relays the message to the buyer. Buyer says, okay, they go see the house. Buyer still wants it. Great. So they understand everything. We're good to go. They submit the offer, full price offer. Everything's good. Inspection period time. All right. Let's hold our breath here. Inspection report comes in. Nothing happens. Yes, the inspection report did say, there were issues here and there and all that, but why did nothing happen? Why didn't the buyer freak out? Because we set expectations. All right. So I hope this is making sense to you, and I hope you're understanding the value of this and how important this really is. Buyers and sellers are not real estate professionals. All right. So they tend to over-exaggerate everything that has to do with a home. You're dealing with a seller, nothing is as bad as it seems, right? And if you're working with a buyer, everything is catastrophic, right? Any little thing that they need to do, they think it's going to cost a fortune to get it done because that's not the space they're in. They don't understand how much work everything really takes. So because we told them ahead of time that the house still needed some work, we didn't update it, that's why we priced it this way. The buyers going in, they're seeing this report and they're saying, okay, yeah, I was already expecting this because they told me this. They told me the house needed work. They told me that, all these things were going on, and they told me that, that's why they priced it lower. That's why I'm getting it at this great price, because of all this work that needs to get done to it.